What's up, guys? So in today's video I'm just going to show you guys the main ground locations on the Jeep TJ, just in case you guys kind of having some electrical issues and you just kind of need to know where the factory grounds are. So obviously we got our negative terminal on the battery that goes down here into this loom here, and then it splits off into these two here. So you got one that goes directly to the engine block, goes right to the engine block right there. Then you have another one that's in that same loom. Then it comes up and then it bolts right to the back of the firewall right here. One ground strap from the hood to the firewall here. And then you have another one that's at the back of the head. It's just these ground straps. They're like these flat straps here. And then one is from the head, the back head bolt, to the firewall. So at the front here, there is a ground here. So just behind the headlight. Same thing on this side, one right here. There is a ground for the taillights just behind this guy. There's a ground in there. I should overlay a video of that. Behind the gauge cluster, over back behind you got to take this whole thing off. And then the radio also grounds there. And then there's a couple grounds, one on this side here, and then one on the other side there. And so anyway, guys, those are kind of like the main important grounds, those big grounds. Obviously make sure those are good. And then those other little ones, if you're having some slight weird issues, just check there. But anyway, hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you guys know of any other ground areas, put them down in the comments below to help some people out, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.